In this video, I'm going to go through another great dividend month carried by the financial industry. Now, let's cue the intro.
Come on.
Hi YouTube, my name is Saraan and welcome back to my channel Investing with Saraan. If you watched some of my recent videos, you may know that I'm a go-to channel for dividend investing. And that's what I want to focus on today. Today, I'm going to go through all the dividends I received in the month of October. I really love dividend investing. Knowing that in the future I'll be able to pay bills just from the dividends I've passively collected is just so great for me. I can collect them whether I'm sleeping the night or on vacation with my friends and family. It's just so cool to me.
But now I'm going to let you know the dividends that I got paid out for the month of November. This month I got 7 different payments from unique companies, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find that amount.
I'm going to show you my dividend progress since I started dividend investing and the dividends I received so far from each month. Before getting into that video, I want to introduce you to Wealthsimple. If you want to start being a partial owner of a company while you get timely cash dividends as well, I'll let you know how to do so by clicking the link on the description or using the code on the right of the screen, QDSGTG. You'll be able to invest with Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple Trade is a commission-free trading platform with instant deposits, plus by using the code in the bottom in the bio and depositing money into a non-registered personal account, you'll be earning up to 2 random stocks worth up to $4,500. But enough talking, let's get straight into the video.
Welcome back YouTube. Here we are on my Questrade and Wealthsimple Trade portfolio. It's currently sitting here at $20,000 with $11,000 on my Questrade and around $9.25K in my Wealthsimple Trade account. So let's dive into the month of November to see our dividends that help grow this account.
My first dividend payment was from Ryokan Real Estate Investment Trust, ticker symbol REI/UN.TO. This is one of my favorite companies here in Canada. I'll still have to dive deep into the stock and let you know why it's my favorite. By watching my last few dividend videos, you'll know that this is a real estate investment trust that has a majority of customers from commercial areas such as shopping complexes and many more. I've also chosen this as a solid dividend play with their monthly dividends, as well as a recovery play when the commercial areas permanently stay open, which it is doing now. I got paid for 91 shares of Ryokan, and it pays a monthly dividend of 8 cents. I'm continuing to add anything under $22 and hope to reach 100 shares soon.
And in total, I received $7.28 from this dividend, which brings my total to $7.28.
My second dividend payment was from Vanguard FTSE, Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF, ticker symbol VDY.TO. This ETF is currently my best performing ETF in terms of total gain in dollar amount. As I said in one of my videos talking about the best Canadian ETF for 2021, this stock holds many strong dividend payers from within the TSX market. Their top 10 holdings include Royal Bank of Canada, the Toronto Dominion Bank, Enbridge, Bank of Nova Scotia, Bank of Montreal, TC Energy Corp, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, BC Inc., Manulife Financial, and Nutrient Ltd. From the day I'm recording, I got paid for 57 shares altogether, but I plan to buy more until it makes up 15% of my portfolio, which is it's almost at right now.
This brings our dividend total from VDY to $5.33. With this dividend, my current total for the month of November is $12.61.
My third dividend payment was from Smart Centers REIT, ticker symbol SRU/UN.TO. By watching my last few dividend videos, you know that this is a real estate investment trust that has a majority of its customers from big box stores. This includes box stores such as Walmart, Home Depot, and many others. I've also chosen this as a solid dividend play with their monthly dividends as well as a recovery play, as REITs took a big hit as customers got laid off from their job and tenants couldn't always stay open. As with rising COVID cases right now in Ontario, Doug Ford just said that he would slow down the opening of capacities within restaurants and buildings again, which is really unfortunate, but it is what it is. At the time of recording, I got paid 33 shares of Smart Centers REIT, and it pays out monthly. I'm continuing to add anything under $30 and hope to reach 35 shares soon.
In total, I received $5.09 from the dividend, which brings my total to $17.70. My fourth dividend payment was Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD.TO. TD is my favorite bank stock as its business occurs in Canada but also goes past its borders and exists in the United States. The Toronto Dominion Bank is another part of the Big Six. I'm continuing to keep this stock for the long term with its nice dividend payments and its growth potential. In total, I received $8.78 from this dividend, which brings my total to $26.48. My fifth dividend payment was from one of the largest market caps within the stock market, Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple Inc. is an American multinational technology company, part of the Big Five in the US IT industry, that designs, develops, and sells consumer electronics, consumer computer software, and online services. I bought the stock for its growth capability, but it also pays a decent dividend. I have 11 shares at AAPL, and I plan to buy more after the stock price dips a bit. But at this rate, within this month, I don't think that's going to happen that soon. With this yearly dividend increase, I received $2.06 from US, which equates to $2.61 Canadian. This brings my total to $29.13. My sixth dividend payment was Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY.TO. The Royal Bank of Canada is a bank, also part of the Big Six in Canada. At the time of recording, I have one share of Royal Bank and it pays a quarterly dividend. I'm continuing to keep this stock for the long term with its nice dividend payments and growth potential. In total, I received $1.08 from this dividend, which brings my total to $30.21. My seventh dividend payment was from Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO.TO. This is one of the biggest total gain percentages for my stock in my portfolio, with a 55% gain. The Bank of Montreal is a bank part of the Big Six in Canada. At the time of recording, I have one share of BMO.TO, and it pays a quarterly dividend. I'm continuing to keep the stock for the long term with nice dividend payments and growth potential. In total, I received $1.06 from this dividend, which brings my total to $31.27. As I said, the grand total of dividends in the month of November is $31.27.
This was another great dividend month during the year, but I'm hoping that we can add to our success and earn more dividends for the rest of 2021. The overall goal is to acquire ETFs and stocks that pay out dividends to earn more passive income. As I said before, passive income is just so interesting to me, and earning money while just being asleep or on vacation is just so nice to me. Hopefully, by doing this, I can continuously earn compound interest on my investments and end up achieving my goal of $1,000 in monthly dividends. Before I end this video, I'll show you all my progress of dividend investing so far.
From the two charts below, you can see the various payments I received throughout the months. Every month is different in the monthly tracker graph, but from each quarter you can see the dividends received have been increasing over time. From the total dividend graph, you can see that progressively we have been increasing our passive income, and it's $40 away from $600 worth of dividend, paired with our market appreciation. And that's the power of dividend investing.
But now that you enjoyed this video, make sure you punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. This will help boost my video with YouTube's algorithm and help any investors along the way with their investing journey.
Investing with Saraan, and join me on my next video where I'll talk about my 8th update on my dividend growth portfolio and stocks to buy for January 2022.
But in that news, bye for now.